¿Qué onda, vatos? Thanks again for tuning into yet another video. Infamous coming at you live from the West Coast. We are going to be installing the SNS air breather, but first we got to take this off, so let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so that's pretty much it. That's the install of the air breather. Stage 1 almost complete. I just got to tune it, so thanks for watching yet another video. If you guys were wondering how do you install an air breather on your, or an air cleaner on your V-twin on your Harley, this is the way you do it. So thanks for tuning in. Thank you for liking the video. Thank you for subscribing. You guys just stay out there, stay safe. Don't believe everything you read. Life's a risk. Get out there and ride. Later.